And as the war words rages, Arvind Kejriwal has spoken exclusively to Times Now, saying he will respond to Digvijaya's questionnaire if the Prime Minister clarifies on corruption. Here's what he told Times Now.
There are several protesters who have in fact got injured at that protest. Do you think this is perhaps the height of how the government is behaving now?
Exactly. All these people are peacefully protesting against Robert Vadra's corruption, against corruption of Haryana Chief Minister, and this is the way the government is reacting. They are brutally attacking the people, which is completely not acceptable in a democracy. It's our constitutional right to protest peacefully. Were they indulging any hooliganism? Weren't they peacefully protesting? Now how can the government treat them like this?
What about the public debates that you've asked? Do you think that would actually happen?
Digvijay Singh has asked certain questions. Firstly, he already has answers to those questions because they have all the agencies directly under their control. Income Tax Department, CBI, Enforcement Directorate, all these agencies are directly under their control, and these agencies have been after us for the last 1.5 years. They have done all our investigations. They didn't find anything. If they had found something, they would have put us behind bars. Now, but he has raised these questions. I am willing to answer each of these questions, but I have a condition that the country put some questions to the Prime Minister on Colgate scam. The country asked some questions from the Prime Minister on Lokpal bill and on the 15 ministers corruption. The Prime Minister did not answer. The country asked certain questions from Mr. Robert Vadra. He also refused to answer. The country asked some questions from from the Chief Minister of Haryana. He also didn't answer. So let Mr. Huda, let Mr. Robert Vadra, and let the Prime Minister answer those questions. Then I will provide answers to each of the questions raised by Mr. Digvijay Singh. Alternatively, let Mr. Digvijay Singh persuade his Prime Minister or Mrs. Gandhi or Mr. Rahul Gandhi for an open public debate. Let any one of them come for a public debate. We are willing at the time and place of their choice. We will participate in that debate and let them ask us any questions. We will also ask them questions about our personal lives, about the country, and let the people also put questions to them. It will be very healthy for democracy. But if Mr. Digvijay Singh doesn't do any of the two, then the country would conclude that he is only looking for cheap publicity.
Congress says the PM is not going to come and react to each of your questions.
So let them, then why is he asking questions?
Right, so there Arvind Kejriwal stating that if there is at all a public debate, then clearly he is willing to answer all questions. And more significantly, with today's protest outside Haryana CM's residence, he says that this is perhaps the height of a government's indifference. Now, would Arvind Kejriwal and Congress indulge in a direct war, and would there be a public debate at all, remains to be seen. With Yogesh, Pooja Shali for Times Now.